No, but I just went on his Instagram and he had like a show last night. So apparently, like I said, it must be more important than being here. He may be just laid up somewhere, so I don't know.
Does he get paid for appearances when he has these shows?
He does.
Okay. And so it's not volunteer work.
It can range anywhere from like $3,000 to $10,000, depending on what venue.
The mother is clearly frustrated now. She is saying he might just be relaxing somewhere instead of taking court seriously. The judge is staying calm because courts focus on facts, not emotions. But emotionally, this shows how tired she is of handling everything alone. Child support cases are not just about money. They are about helping raise children. Do you think parents should be punished for missing court if they are making money somewhere else? That's a big debate.
Is called him, so I'm not sure why he isn't here, Your Honor. I just brought my evidence to do my due diligence because I was ordered to come to court. So I don't know what to say about Mr. Hall, but I mean, the child support can just stay the same and him just reimburse me for the medical because he's not going to do it.
Okay. Well, I do appreciate you showing up, that you got served.
The big legal moment here is income proof. The mother says he gets paid for performances, and the payments can be between $3,000 and $10,000 per show. That is strong financial evidence. The court usually looks at income ability when deciding child support. If someone makes money but avoids responsibilities, the court may not reduce payments. Do you think making good money should automatically mean higher child support payments? Many people think yes.
You may not know this, or maybe you do know it, depending on how often you have to come to the courthouse and do your own paperwork and such, but everybody doesn't show up when they're served to come to court. So that I can appreciate, and I also can appreciate you bringing actual evidence, because people don't do that either.
Right.
However, I don't know.
This is the legal turning point of the case. The judge explains that Mr. Hall was the one who filed the lawsuit. That means he must show up and prove why he deserves a reduction. Since he didn't appear, the judge has to dismiss the case. Courts follow rules, not feelings. This is a lesson for everyone. If you start a legal case, you must be ready to show evidence and appear in court.
There's really nothing.
There's really nothing that can be done because he's the petitioner. He's the one who brought this lawsuit before the court. So he would be the one having to come in and state his claims for relief. This would be like your rebuttal evidence, essentially. Right. So, I mean, there's nothing for me to do but to dismiss this case. Now, I just want you to understand, he can refile it.
Okay, that's fine.
So I would hope he wouldn't do this again, but I just want you to know that he could do this again.
The judge gives a warning message here. Even though this case is dismissed, Mr. Hall can technically try again in the future. But he will need stronger proof and better participation in court. The mother handled this situation calmly, which is impressive. She followed legal rules and brought evidence. Do you think he will come back to court again? Or will this case teach him a lesson about responsibility and parenting?
Yeah, I mean, and if he does, I'm sure he'll give me more evidence. So, you know. Okay, I'm okay with that. I mean, I showed up to court because it's the law, so that's why I showed up. So.
Okay, well, thank you for that. Well, did you have any questions for me while you're here?
No, Your Honor. I mean, I feel like everything was answered last time. I know, well, yeah. Can I get an increase if he does bring me back to court and I show proof that he's making more money?
Well, and see, that's the thing. Even if you do show proof, you have to file your own petition with the court asking the court to increase his child support. Okay.
All right.
All right. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
This case shows a simple but powerful message. The mother came prepared with evidence about money, luxury spending, and lack of parenting effort. The judge dismissed the case because the petitioner didn't show up. The biggest lesson is that court cases need proof, participation, and responsibility. If you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown and want more real-life legal drama stories, make sure to hit like, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more courtroom stories and legal breakdowns.